Too much. Okoko, make some noise. Yes, I dey like come Okoko because I know say my Igbo brothers dey here. Cha Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. Kwezonu. Yes, I tell you say na we dey Lagos, true of us. Na we. Anywhere you go for this life, Igbo man no dey run o. That place no good. Even for Abuja one time when dem dey throw bomb for Inyanya, Igbo man still dey there dey sell canvas. Buy your canvas, Maki Boso bomb.
Yes, you wan run.
They dey do their business. The first one dey sell pure water. Onye gbatu ọsọ ọmọ mmiri, onye gbatu ọsọ. Okoko na too much o. Na Okoko we enter fast food, make we buy meat pie. I shock. For the menu, I see where they write meat pie with NEPA 200. Here they write meat pie with Jen 250. Oh boy, if you be single girl here, you wan marry, you must learn how to cook o. African men like food, men true of us. Mona leave Telemundo, we like food o. I don MC one girl wedding for Owerri. Everybody do wedding, chop rice, go house. She no sabi cook o. She come dey cook indomie and egg for her husband. The man dey vex, he wan eat better food. Na for Port Harcourt dem dey stay. Now she don boil white rice, she wan make stew. She come go buy that book wey dem dey write how to make a good meal. The women here know. Dem dey sell that book under flyover 150 how to make fried rice, jollof rice, chin chin, cake, ice cream, everything dey under. Imagine say your wife dey cook for you with expo. She don boil rice, she wan make stew. She don open page 4 how to make stew. Number 1, put pot for fire. She put. Pour groundnut oil. She pour. Number 3, put maggi. As she dey peel the maggi, breeze come blow the page. From how to make stew, come turn am to how to make ogbono soup. When she look na add ogbono and achi. She dey her parents house now, she don go back. I do this and I leave you, ladies and gentlemen. I come Okoko see better hotel dem o. Na for Lagos you go lodge. Dem go give you white towel, give you soap. Some dey give slippers, give hotel Wi-Fi. One time we go do show, Agboro show for Umuahia. I shock o, we lodge o. 6 a.m. dem begin knock say make we come outside. We think say hotel dey burn. Dem say make we come out for morning devotion. I was shocked. At least I don see dem finish. Na when we go Benin. For Benin dem give us yellow towel, give us oil, give us everything. I shock when dem give us anointing oil and cutlass. I come dey ask the girl wetin go use cutlass and anointing oil do. The girl say bros, winch dey disturb us here o. If dem come, if you no go fit fight dem with the cutlass, use anointing oil take cover yourself with the blood. That's my time, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Emobi. Good night.